Okay, so we are going to look at how to make a poll, an interactive poll with poll everywhere. So it's really simple. Just click on create a poll now after you make a account and sign in. So it pops up almost every time right away. You can watch an easy video that explains it very quickly. Type in right here, and we're gonna, for the sake of this example, just do what's your favorite color. And then you go down here, and this is where you're going to pick the type of poll that you're going to do. You can either do a multiple choice, and then this way you can type in, you could type in red, blue, something like that. But for this one, we're going to do an open-ended question, and you can pick text wall, word cloud, cluster, or ticker. I've used the word cloud before, so we're going to go with a word cloud. And other options you can do are Q&A and brainstorming, or a clickable image, upload an image. Obviously that won't work for this question. So open-ended, word cloud, and you hit create. And you see your question up here. This is your poll. So when it's active, you can have your students go to this web address. It'll be your username and then a number followed by it, or they can text your username and the number to this phone number, and it'll join them into the poll, and then that way they can send their answers with a text message. And you can pick how you want them to respond. You can either have them use the website, the text messaging, both, or one or the other. So here you can customize what you want it to look like. We've picked a word cloud. You can go to color scheme. You can type in the type of scheme you want. This is where you'll activate your poll. Once you click this, it'll activate and it'll wait for the responses from students. You can hide what kind of responses you're seeing. You can lock the poll as well, and you can also clear answers. This will put it in full screen. When you're in full screen, it automatically opens the poll. Down here you can set the time. You can set up to 99 minutes and 99 seconds. For this one, we'll just do 1 minute. Go over to test, and you can test it over here. And you can see over here, it showed up. If you want to keep testing it, type in your answers, and you see how it shows up. It just establishes a word cloud situation. And as I just showed, if a student or multiple students submit the same answer, that word gets bigger to show that more students are picking that response. So we'll clear the poll results. You can hit the start timer, and when you hit here, your poll goes live, and students can start submitting their answers again, either to this website or with a text message. And make sure you start your timer down here. It's really simple. I like it because you're able to get feedback from your students as well. With the Q&A brainstorming option, you can have it up on your screen and no one else can see it, and they can submit questions to you if they're not following something along. But that's pretty much it. You would do the same thing if you made a multiple choice question, just with 4 possible answers. And that's all there is to it.